For years, owning a car has quietly become one of the most expensive subscriptions in American life, especially for seniors living on fixed or semi-fixed income. Monthly payments, rising insurance premiums, unpredictable repair bills, and fuel costs don't show up all at once, but over time, they drain financial stability. Now, Tesla is signaling that the 2026 Model Y Juniper refresh may not just be about design or performance. It may be about fundamentally changing how much a car costs to own, year after year. So what exactly is Tesla changing with Model Y Juniper 2026? Can a redesigned electric SUV realistically reduce monthly car bills for seniors? Not in theory, but in everyday use? And how does this compare to gasoline SUVs and even other EVs on the road today? That's what we're breaking down in today's video. If you want clear analysis instead of noise, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. When autogearshift reaches 23,234 subscribers, we unlock a new deep dive format focused entirely on long-term ownership economics, the kind no other Tesla channel is doing right now. Let's get into it. How is Tesla rebuilding the Model Y around cost control, not just design? The current Model Y already holds one of the lowest total cost of ownership figures in the mid-size SUV segment. In the US market, a gasoline SUV in the same size class typically burns through around 600 to 700 gallons of fuel per year. At an average fuel price of about $3.60 per gallon, that's roughly $2,200 to $2,500 annually. Before oil changes, transmission servicing, exhaust repairs, or emissions-related failures. By contrast, a Model Y driven the same distance consumes roughly 3,500 to 4,000 kilowatt-hours of electricity per year. Even at a residential rate of 15 cents per kilowatt-hour, that comes out to about $525 to $600 annually. Tesla already erased a major operating cost with electrification. But Juniper appears focused on cutting costs that EVs don't automatically eliminate: insurance, maintenance variability, and depreciation risk. One of the quiet shifts expected with Model Y Juniper 2026 is deeper integration of Tesla's next-generation manufacturing processes. These include expanded use of large structural castings and simplified wiring architectures. While this sounds like factory talk, it directly impacts owners. Fewer parts mean fewer failure points. A simplified wiring system reduces the likelihood of electrical gremlins that often drive up diagnostic costs in modern vehicles, especially as they age past warranty. For seniors, this matters more than performance specs. Repair unpredictability is one of the biggest stressors in vehicle ownership after retirement. A $1,200 surprise repair doesn't just hurt financially, it disrupts planning. Tesla's direction with Juniper suggests an attempt to make the Model Y more appliance-like. Fewer service visits, fewer what-went-wrong moments, and longer stretches of trouble-free driving. Another major cost lever is braking. Regenerative braking already allows Tesla owners to drive 100,000 miles or more on original brake pads. With Juniper expected to further optimize software-controlled region behavior, especially at low speeds, brake wear could be reduced even further. Traditional SUVs often require brake service every 30,000 to 40,000 miles, with typical costs ranging from $400 to $700 per axle. Over a decade of ownership, that alone can exceed $2,000. Insurance is where many seniors currently feel EV pain, not fuel or maintenance. Tesla is expected to continue refining its insurance model alongside Juniper, leveraging vehicle telemetry and driver behavior rather than demographic assumptions. For older drivers with calm driving patterns, this could slowly shift premiums downward over time. While not guaranteed, the direction is clear. Reward predictability, not age brackets. Then there's depreciation, the silent killer of car budgets. Gasoline SUVs face increasing uncertainty as emissions regulations tighten and resale demand shifts. Tesla, on the other hand, is building Juniper around software longevity. Over-the-air updates extend functionality without dealership visits, preserving perceived value even as the vehicle ages. A car that still feels current 5 or 7 years later holds value better than one frozen in time. What does the monthly cost really look like for seniors driving a Model Y Juniper 2026? Start with the vehicle payment itself. Based on current pricing trends and Tesla's cost reductions, analysts expect the Model Y Juniper 2026 to enter the U.S. market in a range between $44,000 and $47,000 before incentives. With the federal EV credit still structured around North American assembly and battery sourcing, many buyers could see an effective price closer to $36,500 to $39,500. For seniors making a modest down payment and financing over 60 months at prevailing rates, that translates into a monthly payment, roughly between $550 and $620. That figure alone already competes with gasoline SUVs that often appear cheaper up front. A Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V typically starts in the low $30,000 range, but once financing, dealer markups, and long-term fuel costs are factored in, the monthly reality changes. Fuel alone adds roughly $180 to $210 per month for the average driver. Over 5 years, that becomes more than $10,000, a cost that never builds equity and never goes away. With Model Y Juniper, energy cost replaces fuel. Assuming 1,000 miles per month, a realistic figure for many retirees, electricity consumption would land around 300 to 330 kilowatt hours. At a residential electricity rate of 15 cents per kilowatt hour, that's roughly $45 to $50 per month. Even in higher cost states at 20 cents per kilowatt hour, the monthly energy bill remains under $70. That difference alone frees up over $100 per month compared to gasoline, enough to offset insurance or charging equipment costs. Insurance is where skepticism often emerges, especially among older drivers. Tesla insurance has historically been volatile, but the Juniper generation may quietly benefit from Tesla's evolving risk models. Seniors typically drive fewer miles, accelerate less aggressively, and avoid late-night driving, behaviors that Tesla's telemetry systems can measure. Over time, that can lead to premiums stabilizing rather than climbing. While a traditional SUV might cost $140 to $180 per month to insure, early estimates suggest a calm driving Model Y owner could see premiums settle closer to $120 to $150, depending on state regulations. Maintenance is where Juniper truly begins to feel different. Traditional SUVs require oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, transmission servicing, spark plugs, belts, and emission components. Even conservative owners spend around $1,200 to $1,500 per year on routine maintenance alone once a vehicle passes its warranty period. The Model Y eliminates nearly all of that. There is no oil, no transmission fluid, no exhaust system, and far fewer wearable parts. Tesla estimates annual maintenance for Model Y at roughly $300 to $400, largely consisting of tire rotations, cabin filters, and brake fluid checks. For seniors who keep vehicles long-term, that difference compounds. Over 10 years, a gasoline SUV can quietly absorb $12,000 to $15,000 in maintenance. A Model Y Juniper is likely to stay closer to $3,500 to $4,000 over the same period. Then there's the cost that doesn't appear on invoices. Time. Seniors value predictability. Fewer dealership visits mean fewer disruptions. Over-the-air software updates replace service appointments. Diagnostics often happen remotely. For many older drivers, that convenience translates directly into peace of mind, a benefit that doesn't show up in spreadsheets but matters deeply. How can Model Y Juniper 2026 actually reduce long-term risk for seniors who keep cars 8 to 12 years? For many senior drivers, The real question isn't how much a car costs in the first 3 years. It's what happens after year 6, 7, or 10. When warranties expire, resale value becomes uncertain, and repair bills start to feel unpredictable. This is where Model Y Juniper 2026 could quietly change the equation. Battery longevity is often the first concern. Tesla's current battery packs are already showing strong real-world durability. Data from high-mileage Model 3 and Model Y vehicles indicates average capacity loss of about 10 to 12 miles of range after 200,000 miles of driving. For seniors driving 8,000 to 10,000 miles per year, that mileage threshold could take 2 decades to reach. In practical terms, a Juniper battery used primarily for local and regional driving may never experience meaningful degradation within the owner's lifetime of the vehicle. Juniper is expected to benefit from incremental improvements in battery chemistry and thermal management, even if it does not move to full solid-state technology. Better heat distribution and refined charging curves reduce stress on cells, particularly during daily home charging. For seniors who primarily charge overnight at level 2 speeds, battery wear remains minimal. That reduces the likelihood of the single most feared EV expense, out-of-warranty battery replacement. But even here, the numbers matter. A full battery replacement is expensive, often cited between $10,000 and $15,000 today. Yet those figures are misleading without context. Battery failures within the 8-year or 120,000-mile warranty window are rare, and costs continue to decline as Tesla scales production. By the time a Juniper reaches the end of its useful life, replacement pricing is likely lower than today's figures. More importantly, most senior owners will never face that scenario at all. Mechanical risk is where Juniper may outperform traditional vehicles by a wide margin. Gasoline SUVs accumulate complexity over time. Engines wear, transmissions age, emission systems clog, turbochargers fail. Each repair is manageable on its own, but collectively, they introduce uncertainty. EVs like the Model Y simply have fewer moving parts that degrade with age. The motor, inverter, and drivetrain components are sealed and designed for long-term use. Real-world data shows many Tesla drive units exceeding 300,000 miles with minimal intervention. Tesla's shift toward larger structural castings in Juniper also plays a role here. Fewer welded components mean fewer potential fatigue points. That matters for vehicles kept long-term, especially in climates with temperature swings or rough road conditions. Structural simplicity often translates into longevity. Resale value is another overlooked factor for seniors. Many plan to keep a vehicle for as long as possible, but circumstances change. Health, mobility, or family needs can require selling a car later than expected. A vehicle that holds value offers flexibility. Historically, Tesla vehicles have retained resale value better than comparable gasoline SUVs, partly due to demand and partly due to software updates that keep the vehicle feeling modern. Juniper extends that advantage. Tesla's software-first approach means features can improve over time rather than degrade. Infotainment, driver assistance, energy efficiency, and safety features continue to evolve through updates. For a senior owner, that means a car purchased in 2026 may still feel relevant in 2034. That relevance translates directly into resale demand. Finally, there's regulatory risk. Gasoline vehicles face an uncertain future in many regions due to emissions rules and urban restrictions. Seniors don't want to worry about whether their vehicle will be penalized, taxed, or limited in 5 or 10 years. An electric SUV like the Model Y Juniper sidesteps that uncertainty entirely, offering long-term compliance by design. So would you rather keep paying rising fuel, maintenance, and repair bills, or lock in a vehicle where most costs are known up front? Let us know what you think in the comments by typing yes or no. If this breakdown helped you see the numbers more clearly, hit like, subscribe to AutoGearshift, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into real-world Tesla ownership and long-term cost analysis.